In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Wix. Whether you're reaching out to your customers, sharing exciting updates, or promoting a new product, Wix makes email marketing simple and effective. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft and send professional-looking emails to your audience using Wix's built-in tools. So, grab your laptop or computer and let's get started. First, navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. If you aren't already familiar with Wix, it's an all-in-one platform that helps you build and manage your website and other online tools, like email marketing. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your website and all the tools available to you. Now, take a look at the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. This sidebar is where you'll find all the navigation options for Wix's tools and features. Hover over the Marketing tab. You'll notice that a drop-down menu appears with several marketing options. From this list, click on Email Marketing. This will take you to the section where you can create and manage your email campaigns. Once you're in the email marketing area, you'll have the option to choose how you want to design your email. Wix gives you two choices here. You can either start with a ready-made template or start from scratch and build your email entirely on your own. Templates are a great option if you're looking for a quick and polished design, while starting from scratch gives you the flexibility to completely customize the layout and structure. After deciding on your starting point, click on Edit Template to begin customizing your email. This is where the fun part begins. You can personalize the theme of your email by changing the colors, fonts, and layout. This is your opportunity to make sure the email reflects your brand and matches the look and feel of your business. For example, if your website uses a specific color scheme, you can incorporate those same colors into your email for consistency. You can also adjust the background of the email to align with your desired aesthetic. Whether you prefer a clean, simple design or something more visually dynamic, Wix allows you to make adjustments until you're happy with the overall look. Take your time here. This is your chance to make your email stand out and grab your audience's attention. Before moving forward, click on Preview and Test. This step is essential because it allows you to view the email from the recipient's perspective. Make sure everything looks exactly as you intended, including the text, images, and layout. If anything seems off, don't worry. You can go back and make any final adjustments to the design. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the details. When you're satisfied with how your email looks, click on Next to proceed to the Target Audience section. Here, you'll decide who will receive your email. Wix provides two options. You can send the email to all of your contacts, or you can target specific groups. If you've organized your contacts into groups based on their interests or other factors, this is where you can take advantage of that organization. Once you've selected your audience, click Next to confirm your choice. At this point, you're almost ready to send your email. Double-check everything to ensure it's perfect: your email design, your audience selection, and any other important details. When you're ready, click on Publish to send your email to the chosen recipients. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an email using Wix. With a few simple steps, you can now communicate with your audience in a professional and engaging way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.